Unleash cinematic brilliance with your Nikon Z9. Let's dive into its powerful movie function. To begin, rotate the mode dial to the movie icon. Press the I button or navigate to the movie shooting menu to access your video settings. First, let's talk resolution. Your Z9 offers incredible options like 8K UHD at 30 frames per second for breathtaking detail, or a more versatile 4K UHD up to 120 frames per second for smooth slow motion. The frame rate is crucial for the feel of your footage. Higher frame rates, like 60 or 120, are ideal for capturing action and creating dramatic slow motion effects in post-production, while 24 or 30 frames per second will give you that classic cinematic look. For ultimate control in editing, explore Picture Controls. Flat provides a desaturated, low-contrast image that preserves maximum detail, while Log records the widest dynamic range, perfect for color grading. You can shoot in automatic movie mode, or take full creative control with manual movie mode. In manual, adjust your ISO, shutter speed, and aperture to achieve your desired exposure and depth of field. Experiment with these settings, find what works for your vision, and start creating your next masterpiece.